Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Facebook Marketplace back on your iPhone or Android. So this is the Facebook app, and once you're on the Facebook app, just click on the profile icon on the below right corner, and from here you will see this interface. So just scroll down and you will see setting and privacy. Just click on this and click on settings, and once you reach in the settings and privacy section, you will see this interface meta, account center, tools and resources, preferences. So make sure to scroll down a little bit, and in the preferences section, customize your experience on Facebook. So scroll down a little bit and you will see this option, tab bar below the accessibility, and if this is not available here, so just scroll down and it might be somewhere else. So make sure to find this option, tab bar, and click on it, tab bar, and it will take you to this page. Just click on customize the bar, choose what you would like to see on the tab bar, and once you click here, simply scroll down and you can see the available options like profile, friend requests, groups, marketplace, video, gaming, feed. So this is the marketplace option, and my selected is auto, and you might have this feature hidden, it will be hidden. So make sure to, as you can see, this is hidden now. So just click on, you will see this option, just click on hidden and again click on pin, and once you click on pin, it will be again pinned to the tab bar, or you can just click on the auto option, and once you click on auto, you will be able to see, as you can see. So once I go back, so you will be able to see my marketplace. As you can see, this is the marketplace option. So you will get back your marketplace in this way. So this is a simple process of how you can get it back.